Hey there, dessert lovers! Did you know your favorite tub of ice cream could be hiding a secret? Today, we're diving into the frosty world of frozen treats to uncover what's really in your dessert and how you can enjoy guilt-free indulgence. Stick around as we reveal the shocking truths, dietitian-approved swaps, and the science behind your cravings. Let's get started. Ice cream has been a guilty pleasure for centuries. From ancient civilizations using snow and honey to Italian immigrants popularizing penny licks in the 1800s, it's a treat that stood the test of time. But here's the catch. Traditional ice cream is loaded with sugar, saturated fats, and additives. A single scoop can pack up to 300 calories and 20 grams of sugar, enough to derail your health goals. Enter frozen yogurt. Brands tried to market it as the healthy alternative. But let's be real, it often lacks the creamy texture and satisfaction of real ice cream. So, is there a better way? Absolutely. Meet the game changers. Brands like Oppo, Halo Top, and Yasso. These innovators use natural sweeteners like stevia, coconut oil, and Greek yogurt to slash calories without sacrificing flavor. For example, Oppo's salted caramel has just 78 calories per serving, less than an apple. Dietitians swear by these swaps. Take Halo Top's chocolate ice cream cake. It's rich, indulgent, and clocks in at 120 calories per serving. Or Yasso's Greek yogurt bars, which pack 5 g of protein to keep you full. Even dairy-free options like So Delicious Salted Caramel Cluster use cashew milk for a creamy, vegan-friendly treat. Dietitians swear by these swaps. Take Halo Top's chocolate ice cream cake. It's rich, indulgent, and clocks in at 120 calories per serving. Or Yasso's Greek yogurt bars, which pack 5 g of protein to keep you full. Even dairy-free options like So Delicious Salted Caramel Cluster use cashew milk for a creamy, vegan-friendly treat. Not all healthy ice creams are created equal. Watch out for sneaky marketing tricks. Here's your cheat sheet. Check the sugar. Opt for under 10 g per serving. Look for protein. Greek yogurt or plant-based proteins add staying power. Avoid artificial additives. Natural flavors like baobab or lucuma, used in Oppo, are winners. Beware of low-fat labels. They often replace fat with sugar. And remember, organic doesn't always mean low-calorie. Always read the fine print. Want total control? Let's make a 3-ingredient vegan chocolate ice cream. Blend frozen bananas, cocoa powder, and a splash of almond milk. Freeze, and voila! Creamy bliss with zero guilt. Pro tip: add a spoonful of peanut butter for extra protein. Or try a protein-packed nice cream. Greek yogurt, frozen berries, and honey. Perfect for post-workout cravings. So, next time you're craving something sweet, remember, you don't have to choose between taste and health. Try these dietitian-approved brands or whip up your own creation. Got a favorite healthy ice cream? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more scoop-worthy content. Stay cool, stay healthy, and keep indulging the smart way.